I'm Colin Walls, and today I want to talk about USB. I want to talk about USB specifically from a software engineer's perspective, and particularly from the context of embedded systems. This is one of a short series of video blogs where I'm going to look at different aspects of USB. And today, just a brief introduction to the subject. Well, the first thing we can say about USB, for which anyone who remembers the world before USB standard was defined, is USB is a good thing. If we look back to the days before having USB, if you've got a new device for your computer, you would take the card out of the package, you'd have to figure out how to put it into the computer, you'd probably damage your fingers in the process, you'd then have to load some software drivers and generally not have a very good time really. So what USB did was replace the old serial and parallel connectors that we had. It reduced the number of different connectors and gave us true plug and play. So nowadays, if you have a USB device, typically you just plug it in and off you go. USB also has capacity. It means that a USB system can have up to 127 devices. And I've never yet found anybody who has exceeded that capacity with any computer system which you would use in a normal context. USB has a reasonable amount of performance. Now, USB 1.1, which was the first version that came about, had a maximum speed of 12 megabits per second, which is good for many purposes. USB 2 increased that quite a lot to 480 megabits per second, and that was good enough capacity for many purposes for a good number of years. More recently, USB 3.0 was introduced, and that gave us 5 gigabits per second, which is good enough for high definition video and so forth. And 3.1 has actually upped it again to 10 gigabits per second. So this gives us plenty of capacity for most modern applications. We need to get some of the terminology sorted out first of all. Every USB system has one and only one host. That's at one end of the bus. Attached to the bus are then a number of peripheral devices. These are called functions, rather confusingly if you ask me, in the USB world. The topology of a USB system is what's called a tiered star. There is always a hub in the host, and there may be more hubs fanning out to peripherals below that. But it's truly hierarchical, and all communication starts at the host. Next time I will be talking in more detail about USB communications, and we'll go on later sessions to look at other aspects of USB software. So I hope you'd like to come along next time. Thanks for listening today. See you soon. Bye for now.